Hey, what's up, folks? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I just want to talk a little bit about this FireDisc that I just purchased off of Amazon. Now, I got the whole package, and I'll take it apart here in just a second for you. I've got the cover on it. But I got the cover, I got the FireDisc, and I got the windshield. I also got the propane tank adapter. So, straight out of the box, this FireDisc will accept these propane tanks. Fires up right away, super consistent. I've used the FireDisc. Let's go ahead and take the cover off. It's springtime here in Georgia, so we are in the middle of pollen season. So I got to keep this guy covered up. So, let you guys check out the goods real quick. As you can see, that's how the propane tank fits. There's the dial. There's a lock, off, low, medium, and high. Very self-explanatory. This one is already seasoned. I just cleaned this guy up. We did a weekend trip in Okefenokee Swamp down in South Georgia. And one of the people I was with made street tacos with the FireDisc for $24, and they were delicious. It all came together really fast, and that's the benefit of the FireDisc, right? If you're cooking for 2 people, you don't need one of these, but if you're cooking for a whole family or 10, 20, 30 people, or you know, say you're at a music festival or a campsite or some sort of festival, and you're cooking to sell product, you can really turn some tacos or some Philly cheesesteaks out of this thing all night long and make a good amount of money. So if you'll notice, there's a little bit of corrosion here. This is probably my fault. My first time using this, I took this to Little Tybee Island, which is just south of Big Tybee, and we split all the pieces up. This is the windshield. Split all the pieces up in different kayaks, paddled it over to this remote island, and made fajitas for more than 20 people. And yeah, like I said, it's awesome. So as you can see, this design, it's basically 2 pieces, right? And I'm not gonna take it apart, but I'm gonna lift it. See, these 2 pieces move independently. There's a little insert to where it fits in to stabilizes it. And it's very stable. It is very heavy. And the disc fits right on top there. Now, this shield is going to help you save energy, basically. It's going to help focus the heat, keep the wind off of it, and you're going to cook a little bit faster that way. All in all, though, great product. There's a few events coming up this year that I may decide to check in as a vendor, set up the FireDisc, and cook some food. 1, for fun, and 2, to make a little bit of cash. So the FireDisc is expensive. You know, I paid over $300 for this one and the pieces that I have. Do I feel like it's worth it? Yeah. I know I could have gone with a cheaper version of this, right? But I feel like this is a product that I'm going to have for 10, 15 years. And I'm going to use it in a lot of my outdoor events, kayaking events here at the house, and maybe even to make a little bit of cash here and there. So there it is, the FireDisc. Now, last but not least, I want to tell you about the heat zones. So this is a big diameter pan, right? It's almost like a big wok. So the hottest part is going to be where you see this black mark right here from the seasoning, and then it gets less hot as you go out. Now, this is heavy gauge steel, and it really holds the heat well, right? So once you get it hot, you got to cool down before you get in there and clean it off and start touching it. But, you know, you can do things like, you know, cook your meat first. Once that's cooked, push it up to the side where it's not as hot as the middle. Put the vegetables in, cook the vegetables, mix, and then serve. So that's what makes it really cool, is it's not just a a great way to, you know, cook food for a bunch of people, but it's a fast and efficient way to cook food for a bunch of people. So there it is. That's my review of the FireDisc. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.